This is the standard issue computer power supply. As you can see, it's rated at 400 watts output, and it can output different voltage ranges. Like at 12 volts it can give you 16 amps, while at 5 volts it can give you 14 amps, and at 3.3 volt it can give you 20 amps. So that means it can handle a lot of current. If you plug in such a power supply into a power source like I am doing now, it won't work. As you can see, the fan isn't working. So how to use it and why to use it? Why to use it? Because 12 volts is a pretty much standard current that is used in all sorts of electronics, and also for project works and other purposes like powering up an LED, charging up a battery. 20 amps is a lot of current, and you can use a power supply for that. So to power on such a power supply, all you need to do is, this is a 24-pin standard issue connector for the motherboard of a PC. If you hold the connector in this position and the lock is facing you, the orange wire is on the right side. Skip the orange wire and the blue wire, and now you see you have a black wire and a green wire. That's your thing. All you need to do is short circuit these two wires, the black one and the green one, and the power supply would work. Let's find out. So yeah, I used that piece of wire to short circuit the black wire and the green wire. You see that? Yeah. And now we'll switch on the power supply. Let's plug it in. You see, the fan started working. Time to test the voltage output is. Now you can see that I have plugged the multi-tester wires into the legacy power connector of the power supply. I have plugged the red positive wire of the multi-tester into the yellow connector, into the yellow wire, and the black negative connection into the black of the legacy connector. I have it in 10 volts DC, and the wires are up. The fan's working. The meter is showing that needle is a bit further from the 0 point because it's rated at 10 volts and we are testing on 12 volts.